when you invest, you're buying a day that you don't have to work for. Landlords grow rich in their sleep. A famous man once said the best investment on earth is earth. Welcome to Ketu, the best property at Lagos mainland. By PWAN Royal, located at Owode Ketu Ikeja Division. It has such an amazing title. With Lagos state deeds of conveyance and registered survey, aspect features include perimeter fencing, gated and secured environments, gardens and landscaping, internal art, network 24-hour security, and power supplies. Wonderful locations such as the Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Owode Spare Parts Markets, Ikeja City Mall Governor's Office, of course Alausa, and a plot of 600 square meters here is selling for 6.2 million naira, inclusive of documentation fee. Guess what you can? Spread this payment for 6 months. So what are you waiting for? Call now the number in description below. Book your free inspection with PWAN Royal. Your royalty is assured.